Oh my god, I never see anything like this. Yes, I'm very excited. Today I'm gonna talk about brand Florasis. Yes, they are sent to me PR box with few items from Nomadic Collection, and I need to show you packaging, how products it's coming. Oh my god, it's totally different. I never see anything. How products wrap, how beautiful box. Let me show you very quick. Let me first show you this amazing box. Look at these details. I am so excited to open this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I am so stuck. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, I have a brochure with new collection from Florasis. Then, oh my god, what is this? Oh, what is it? I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a perfume card. Look at these details. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. This is just a bag. But again, look at these details. Wow! A truly luxurious brand. Wow, I do like this. Wow, what excited. Oh my god, look at how they package products inside. Wow, yes, because it's coming from China, but look at this. Wow, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's a hair clip. I think. Oh my god, look at how cool they are. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I already miscounting. I have another item and I have another item. Oh my god, absolutely stunning. I'm impressed how product come, like how they wrap. Wow. Let me show you what they sent to me. By the way, yes, this is its brand from China, but it's a very high-end brand. It's the highest Chinese skincare and makeup brand, and everything, it looks so beautiful and amazing. It's like a piece of jewelry. Okay, let's start first with eyeshadow palette. This is how packaging look. Let me open for you, and of course this eyeshadow already on my eyes. I will show you step by step how I create this look, and ta-ta, let me open and swatch for you this palette. It's Into the Wild palette. This is so gorgeous. Look at this packaging. Let me show you eyeshadow palette. We have here, it's a good luck charm symbol. Beautiful here, it's leather, and you can see it have a nice beautiful details. And let me open for you. We have a big mirror here, and we have a 7 eyeshadows here. Let me swatch for you. First, it's like champagne shimmer color, so pretty, and then we have like a gold sparkly color. Then let's try this 2 matte color. This is its two matte color. I think you can see one, it's a little bit more yellowy orangey, and another pretty nude. It's perfect to set your eyeshadow primer or go just all over your eyelid color. This is most excited color. It's have a blue, it's have a teal, it's have even like gold sparkles, so pretty. And we have a brown matte color. Also, this collection have a blush and powder, and I'm so excited because my skin's so sensitive, and it's a two perfect product for me. Okay, let me just a little bit tease you, and later on I will show you how to use, and I will tell you again why I'm in love with these two products. But look at this packaging, look at these details. It's a nice present to your friend, for your wife, for your girlfriend, because I don't know any another brand who making so spectacular packaging. We have beautiful here mirror, and again here it's leather. We have a symbol here. It's very cute blush, and this looks like a peachy color, but when I apply it's actually peachy pink, and this is its color number 13, morning race, I believe. Okay, I'm so excited. Let me show you how I create this look, and again, if you like it, please give me a like, subscribe. Let's start, and all products I will list it below. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I don't even want to touch, but let's do it. I'm gonna use this color first. It's a very like a neutral color, matte color, and I'm using big blending brush. I'm gonna just set my primer. I have on my eyelid primer from MAC Painterly. Now let's use this color, and it's like a light yellow color. I'm gonna apply above my suckle area. This color, it's really light. It's not huge difference between first color and second color, but I do see difference. I have again clean blending brush, and we're gonna use this orange color. I'm serious, it's so pretty. I'm like, I don't wanna mess up this eyeshadow. I want you to stay beautiful like you are. This is really nice orange color. I apply it on the crease, and I'm pushing up. I need to reapply few more times this orange color to build pigment. I will describe it's a medium pigment eyeshadow, not too light where you don't see anything, but it's not too like pigmented palette. But so far I like it how eyeshadow sits on my eyelid. It's beautiful. We have with you 3 colors, and I'm very happy. This is color personally, it's really look good on me, but I love quality. I'm smiling. Now I'm gonna use this gold eyeshadow with flat brush. We're gonna apply right here. Oh, look at this pigment. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow. I apply gold eyeshadow right here. It goes so beautiful. beautiful color, beautiful texture. This actually gold eyeshadow have a very good pigment, very good. You know what? I'm gonna use MAC Satin Mist. I'm gonna spray my brush. I want a little bit even more intense. Let's see. I'm gonna use the same gold eyeshadow and I'm gonna just apply right here a little bit more on the center. Oh my god, yeah, it is gorgeous. I'm gonna use first eyeliner. This is Chanel Espresso eyeliner. I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes and then on top I'm gonna put this brown eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply brown eyeliner underneath, connecting right here. Wow. I have a small tiny brush and I'm gonna just little bit smudge this eyeliner. I want eyeliner to look way more softer. And now I'm gonna use same Bobbi Brown eyeliner brush. We're gonna use this darker eyeshadow. I'm gonna put on top of my eyeliner and we'll see. I want a smoky, soft, very like a soft blurry effect. And now let's use this color. This color is like a blue, turquoise, have a lot of shimmer. Oh, let's use underneath. I have a small tiny brush from Chanel and I'm just so far pressing this color, applying on top of my Chanel eyeliner. Let's see. Oh wow, it's have a lot of shimmer, a lot of sparkles. Wow, I don't know if you can see or not how beautiful this color. I can see gold here, I can see blue here, I can see like a sea blue, even turquoise. It's independent, I feel like how light hit, but I love this color. I probably should make a video just to create specifically for this color eye look, because it's so pretty. I feel I want to add a little bit this darker color on my crease. So far it's so pretty. I think this palette works absolutely this $55 and I'm very happy how colors looking on my eyes. We have one more color. It's a beautiful like a light gold eyeshadow. I'm gonna use right here underneath my brow bone. Oh wow, this is pretty and it have a nice beautiful pigment. This color will be pretty as a highlighter on me. I need to try. And let's put a little bit this light color right here on the corner. I think it's beautiful. It's give me this nice beautiful pop. I need to put a little bit mascara. I will be right back because we have more products to try. Wow, my eyes look so pretty and I love this hair piece. Okay, let's try this right now powder. Again, it looks like a transparent powder and look at this. They even covered this layer piece to protect from scratching, or I don't know, but look at these little details. It's beautiful. I love jewelry, girls. I love jewelry. This is brand. It is like it's a piece of art. Okay, let's try this transparent powder. I do have on me just foundation and I am combination too oily and I have a very large pores. I'm gonna come close to the camera and what I want to see, sometimes you apply transparent powder, particular white one, and will give me this white shield. You will see like you have powder on you. But okay, let's try, and I'm gonna try with this puff, which one it's coming together and coming close to you. One more time, look at this side and this side. Okay, coming to you close, you can see my large pores, right? And look at this side. It works pretty good, but I think if you dry, I don't think it's a great product for you, but because I'm combination to oily, it's perfect. Will I apply this powder on entire my face? Probably not, but where I want to minimize my pores, definitely. This is it, Flawless J Breathable Press Powder. I love this powder. It's perfect for me because I have large pores and I'm combination to oily. You can see how I'm oily and you can see truly how matte is looking, how matte looking this side. And also it's perfect for me because it's for sensitive skin. Hallelujah, I have extremely sensitive skin. $36, it's really good price and it's talc free. I love this. I'm gonna put my powder in this special case they sent to me. It's really unique. I think you can even like put little bit maybe belt or ribbon and carry this like it's a cross cute purse, but I think this is so cute details. I love it. Also, they sent me this cute blush and it's a Peony Dream Cream Blush, of course from Nomadic Collection. Look at these little details. Again, we have letter here, we have little metal piece here. It's just so pretty, feels really good. We have mirror here. It's a blush. Will be so pretty on me, and it's waterproof, sweat proof. It's a long wearing blush. Let's try this. Wow, it's a very pigmented blush. It looks light, but believe me, you need just very little. And you know what? It says cream blush. It is powder blush. It's Peony Dream Cream Blush, again from Nomadic Collection, and color it's number 13, Morning Rays. I feel I need little bit glow. Let's put this is my highlighter and it works. Let's put lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury Hot Gossip. It's very pretty. All products I will listed below, girls. All I need from you, just give me like, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream. Now let's put lipstick. It's a French tea from Lancome 274 and it's Drama Ink. I need little drama. Wow, it's a perfect lip color for this look. Love you more than ice cream. If you want me to create more look with this eyeshadow palette, let me know and I will see you in my next video. Bye!